Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of stubborn stains ruining your carpets and upholstery, then you're in for a treat today. We are diving into an amazing product that will change the way you clean your home. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Introducing the Agrocrest Portable Spot Cleaner. This little powerhouse is designed to tackle even the toughest stains with its super suction cleaning technology. Whether it's pet accidents, food spills, or just everyday dirt, this machine has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Agrocrest Portable Spot Cleaner a must-have for every household. First off, let's talk about its portability. This compact design means you can easily carry it around your home, making it perfect for quick cleanups in any room. Whether you're dealing with a sudden spill in the kitchen, a pet accident in the living room, or a muddy paw print on the stairs, the Agrocrest is right there with you, ready to tackle the mess. And let's not forget about the convenience of its design. The Agrocrest features an ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to maneuver it easily as you clean. Plus, the power cord is long enough to give you plenty of reach without having to constantly switch outlets. This means you can cover more ground in less time, making your cleaning routine more efficient. Now, what really sets this cleaner apart is its versatility. It's not just a one-trick pony. With multiple replacement heads included, you can customize your cleaning experience based on the surface you're tackling. From delicate upholstery to tough carpet stains, the Agrocrest has the right tool for the job. So, whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or just someone who values a clean home, the Agrocrest Portable Spot Cleaner is designed to make your life easier. It's the perfect companion for those unexpected messes that life throws your way. And with its multi-purpose functionality, it's not just for carpets, you can use it on upholstery, car interiors, and more. Check out these incredible before and after shots. Just look at how effortlessly it removes those tough stains. You'll be amazed at the results. And here's the best part, it comes with replacement heads, so you can customize your cleaning experience based on the surface you're tackling. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just fill it up, turn it on, and watch the magic happen. Now, you might be wondering about the price. The Agrocrest Portable Spot Cleaner is available for just price $6,999. That's a small price to pay for a cleaner, fresher home. And guess what? You can buy it right now by clicking the link in the description below. If you're ready to say goodbye to stains and hello to a spotless home, don't wait. Click that link, grab your Agrocrest, and start cleaning like a pro. And while you're at it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Joining our community means you'll be the first to know about all the exciting content we have coming your way. We are dedicated to bringing you the latest product reviews, cleaning hacks, and tips that can transform your home into a spotless sanctuary. By subscribing, you won't just be supporting our channel, you'll also gain access to a treasure trove of knowledge that can save you time, money, and effort in your cleaning routine. Whether you're looking for the best tools to tackle tough stains, innovative cleaning techniques, or product comparisons to help you make informed decisions, we've got you covered. And don't forget to turn on those notifications. This way, you'll receive instant alerts every time we upload a new video. You won't have to worry about missing out on our latest finds or expert advice. Imagine being the first among your friends to discover the next must-have cleaning gadget or the ultimate stain removal trick. Plus, we love hearing from you. When you subscribe and engage with our content, you become part of our growing family. We encourage you to leave comments, share your own cleaning experiences, and ask questions. Your feedback helps us create even better content tailored to your needs. So, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join us on this journey to a cleaner, more organized home. We can't wait to share more amazing tips and products with you. Let's make cleaning easier and more enjoyable together. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the AgroCrest or if you have any cleaning hacks of your own. Until next time, happy cleaning.